Hey friends, Susan here with Pumpkin Hill Stampers. Today I'm going to share with you this Darling Details Dies thank you card that I'm making for my June customer thank you. Here is where I start out. We've got our card base, a liner, a couple of die cuts, and a ribbon, and I'm going to show you how I pulled it all together. First, I die cut the center out of the front of my card with the Darling Details die. It does show it embossed here, but I did that second. Here's the embossing folder, Countryside Blossoms, which is new in the catalog. So after I die cut it, then I embossed it so that the image didn't get pressed down. Next, we're simply going to line the front of that card with a piece of basic white. Just put a little bit of adhesive around the edges and go ahead and adhere it to the inside front of that card. This is how it looks when you close it and you're seeing the front. A nice blank slate to create on. Next, I chose Poppy Parade ink. I got my spudged dauber. Go ahead and use that. I applied ink to the die cut flower from the Darling Details die, and you can see I only applied it to the flower section, but you could go ahead and ink up the leaf as well. Now I'm simply going to use the mini glue dots to go ahead and add these pieces to the card. To start, I use one mini glue dot, put it on the bottom of that sprig of lemon lime twist, and just tucked it underneath the rim of that die cut frame. Then I added mini glue dots to the back of the centers of those flowers and added that next, again tucking it behind the frame. Then I go ahead and add the bow that is from the Ribbon Duo combo. This one is from the lemon lime twist ribbon, so it coordinates with our card base color right to the bottom of those two die cuts to finish it off. And then here it is, the thank you card kit that you'll receive when you order for me in the month of June this year. Okay, so to finish off my sample project, I went ahead and used my Poppy Parade ink and a happy birthday sentiment from the Darling Details stamp set. So this is the bundle, the stamp set and the dies go together. As you know, I am a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator, so please shop with me online to support my creative endeavors. When you do, you'll receive a card kit from me with a tutorial as a thank you, something fun for you to put together. You can always find me online at susanwebster.stampinup.net, or you can follow my blog at pumpkinhillstampers.thesearemystamps.com.